Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will be talking to you about our country India. When I speak about our country India, I am trying to say about the geographical India. So when we talk about India, it is situated, you can find the India in the globe in the continent of Eurasia, Asia, and in that you will find India, and you see three sides is covered with water, surrounded with water. So it is called as peninsular India. So if you see the northern side, it is Himalayas, it is a land, and if you come to the east, you see Bay of Bengal. Towards the west, you have Arabian Sea, and in the south, you have Indian Ocean. So you see, three sides is covered or is surrounded with water. That is why India is peninsular India. Now, to say you what are the locations. In the north, you can find the Himalayas, which is at 37 degrees 6 minutes north. Whereas south, you have Kanyakumari at 8 degrees 4 minutes north latitude. Towards the west, you have Kutch in Gujarat, which is at 68 degrees 7 minutes east, and towards the east, extent of the east, you have Arunachal Pradesh, which is at 67 degree 25 minutes east. So these are the locations, and in the halfway, Tropic of Cancer is crossing at 23.27 degrees north. Okay, so in India, as it is a very huge area, we have an Indian Standard Time. When we talk about the Indian Standard Time, then it is at 82.5 degree east, Indian Standard Time. Next, coming to the neighbors of India. Who are the neighbors of India? You see at the top, Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, and Bangladesh. So totally there are 7 neighbors of India. There are 2 island neighbors of India. One is Maldives and other is Sri Lanka. What is island? Island is a piece of land which is surrounded by water. Whereas peninsula is a piece of land which is surrounded only in the 3 sides with water. Okay. Now coming to Sri Lanka. If you find Sri Lanka and India is separated by a very narrow range of the water. So this narrow range is known as Park Strait. So India and Sri Lanka is separated by Park Strait. Okay. Now we already know India has got 29 states and 7 union territories. It is actually 9 union territories. Presently, there are 2 more union territories which have been introduced. So there are 29 states and 9 union territories in India. Okay. Now coming to the geographical divisions in India. As I said, to the northern side we have Himalayas. Then we have the plains, northern plains. Towards the west we have deserts, Indian deserts. And then towards the south we have peninsular plateau and the coastal areas. Okay. Now coming to the 3 parallel ranges in Himalayas. Himalayas has got 3 parallel ranges. The greater Himalaya, the one which is in the highest range, that is Himadri. Then we have Himachal, the middle one, and we have the outer Himalayas, that is the Shivaliks. Okay. So the topmost we have the Himadri, greater Himalayas. And then we have middle Himalaya, or that is Himachal. Here you will find the world highest peaks and all those. Okay. And then Shivaliks, you will have the hill stations. Those are present in the Shivalik, that is the lower range. So you see 3 parallel lines. Okay. So when we talk about the greater Himalayas, it is around 6,000 meters. The height is 6,000 meters high. Okay. And it is asymmetrical in nature. So all these things, and then I already told Himachal has the greater peaks and Shivaliks has the hill stations. Next, coming to the North Indian. So North Indian plains, you know how the plains are? Plains are basically flat and level lands. Okay. And it is fertile. That is why, because it's fertile, you have a lot of cultivation going on in the plains. That is why it is also densely populated. Okay. So here you will find the alluvial deposits from rivers like Indus, Ganga, Brahmaputra and their tributaries. What are tributaries? They are the streams from the main river. Okay. So now they are very, very fertile, and that is why they are densely populated. Then coming to the desert. If you check to the western side, you find the desert in the Rajasthan, areas of Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, and a part of Gujarat. You will have the Thar deserts. The Indian desert is the Thar desert. Okay, so these ranges has deserts. That means they have sandy soil. So Thar desert is situated partly in India and partly in Pakistan. In India, Thar desert extends from Satluj river in the north and northeast, surrounded with Aravalli range on the southeast. So here you will have sandy soil, okay, which is not fertile. It is not fertile. Next, we have the peninsular plateau, the Deccan plateau or the peninsular plateau. Now, the peninsular plateau, it is having the western Ghats and the eastern Ghats. So the plateau ranges in elevation of 100 meters to 1000 meters to the south, and they have got rich deposits of minerals. Now we have talked about the northern mountains, we have talked about the Thar deserts, Indo-Gangetic plains, peninsular plateau, and also we have the coastal region, that is a narrow lining near the sea. So that is the coastal region. That's it. Thank you.